I35equipment.com. This is a Caterpillar D6 D Bulldozer. This is a local consignment straight off the farm where a rancher was using it to push some trees. We welcome you to come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to accompany you if you like. We're open by appointment only, and it is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. Welcome you to come pick it up for yourself, arrange for your own shipping. But if you'd like a free hauling quote, fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address with several local haulers at a nationwide broker and get back with you with the best hauling rate when it comes to us. This machine does have the 4-way blade. Also has a rear winch on it. See there, it's got good power. It doesn't even really seem to be straining to lift itself up off the ground. It is the tap motor. Also has that rear screen guard on the back of the props and sweeps on the front. If you're in our local area, we allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete here. If you'd like access, just give us a call. We're at 405-833-6437. Please, no grass, trash, trees, or anything else. See, we're working on filling in a hole here. Dozer's doing a good job of pushing. As always, you can see our full and updated inventory of heavy equipment on our website, www.i35equipment.com. The sign that says our specialty, if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, we can help you get that equipment sold. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We'll let him get it parked, and then we'll do a walk around, check out the undercarriage, and we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look there. Let's have that nice welded on guard across the top of the blade for a little bit more protection from trees and brush. These pads are super tall. They have lots of life left in those. Looks like the winch has been chained and locked, so we're unable to test it. It does have a rear winch. Let's climb up here and take a look. Hydraulic fluid looks good. Batteries should be down in here. Yep, dual batteries. There's your shifter. Take another look at that. This hour meter was changed out at 4428 hours, I believe. Currently sitting at 3193. Just add those together. This is your blade control. There's your control for the winch. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video was beneficial to you. Like I said earlier, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online at www.i3equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.